Good day everyone, tired of the same old iPhone home screen? Meet Themelia, the app that gives you thousands of themes, wallpapers and widgets to fully customize your look. Today I'll walk you through how to use it and what stands out. So firstly, you can download Themelia from the App Store. It's free with in-app purchases. Once inside, you'll find categories like anime, sports, movies, or iOS 18 looks. You can tap on Themes for coordinated icon and wallpaper sets. There are 200 plus theme packs, and then scroll to Preview. To change just the widgets, go to Widgets and pick up over 12,000 options like battery, weather, clock, or virtual pad widgets, all with daily updates. Select your favorite theme, then tap Apply. Themelia will guide you. Install a custom profile. Set a wallpaper, add app icons, place widgets using iOS Smart Stack feature. It all happens in just a few taps. If you want to fine-tune, you can mix wallpapers from one pack, icons from another, or manually reposition widgets on your home screen for a personal touch. And that's how you use Themelia to completely transform your iPhone's look. If you enjoyed this guide, hit like and subscribe for more phone hacks. See you soon. Happy decorating your phone.